Can you see it on the camera? Snake.
Oh.
Come here, Sneaky. I can have a stick somewhere.
There we go. Yeah, he's like coiling. He just like attacked you.
No, did you seriously?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
It like shot out at you.
Are you serious? Hold on, Sneaky. Michelle. I just want to hold you.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh! Where is it?
I don't know.
His finger touched, his mouth touched me.
What if it's like a copperhead?
It didn't bite me, it just
Well, I know, but
I think it's too little to bite.
probably.
Because all I felt was like it.
I don't see it anymore.